Hey guys, what we got today is a 2006 Outlander Max Bombardier with a Rotex 400 high output engine. And what we're going to do today is a simple oil change. Tools you're going to need: 3 quarts. I'm using OW40 today. Planning on using it quite a bit in the winter, so that starts pretty good. Oil filter. There's the number on there. 17 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter, and an 8 millimeter socket. Ratchet, and you can substitute end wrenches for this job if you don't have a socket set. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to grab a drain pan and we'll drain the oil.
Right underneath, that's a 17 millimeter drain nut. I have a winch. So what happens is the winch bracket, oil hits that and doesn't drain straight down. So I have a large pan so I don't spill it all over the place. All right, I'm gonna get that nut out, we'll drain the oil. I did warm up the engine, that helps to drain the oil just a little bit quicker.
Also a 6-inch extension would be helpful. While the oil's draining, yeah, spill a little bit, thanks to that. Bracket does make it a little bit messy. Okay, on the right side of the engine, you got 3 10 millimeter bolts. 1, 2, and next one is hidden up above the brake shifter here, right there. So 3 of those. We'll take those out and remove that cover, and behind that is the oil filter housing. That's the oil filter housing. 3 8 millimeter bolts to take out. I'll take it out. We'll show you what it looks like. We're going to fill up the oil.